Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5 and 6, Your Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, in both these matters, Lordship, we are being led by Dr. Ashok Saraf, Lordship.
Yes.
However, Lordship, due to an outstation matter, Lordship, Dr. Saraf is indisposed today. Hence, Lordship, we are seeking for an adjournment.
Outstation indisposed. Indisposed means sick. Out of station is out of station. So
Yes.
make up your mind. He's
Yes,
not
sir.
available today.
He is not available.
Right. You say that.
But number 4
He
is
is
also
appearing
connected.
before as well High Court.
Number 4 I am petitioner, my lord. They are connected
We'll
matters.
take it up. Number 4.
All
Together,
connected
madam.
matters. Sir.
Together.
All connected matters. Yes, sir.
What's the issue?
5,
Same issue.
5 and 6.
4,
After? When? After Diwali?
After Diwali, Lordship.
2 weeks.
When?
2 weeks. After
After 2 or 3 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes.
Lordship, there's an interim order. Interim may continue, Lordship.
But in the meantime,
Interim orders there.
Already.
4, 5, 6. Huh?
No, 4, 5, 6.
5 and 6.
in item number 5, my lord, I would like to bring on record one order, my lord. I will file a small affidavit.
Okay. Adjournment has been sought by, what's your name? Satyam Saikya?
Satyam
Saikya
Saikya.
on behalf, Learned Counsel on behalf of Dr. Isara, who stated to be not available today. Stop. No objection, no? I don't wish to respond. List the matter after 3 weeks. And next as item number 4 is also connected, wherein Dr. M. Muzika is the senior counsel petitioner. Lists this matter together with the other matters after 3 weeks. After that, next line, Ms. N. Sinkon, Learned Counsel, Learned Government Advocate, has prayed that we will have to bring on record what?
One document, my lord.
What document is that?
It's an order passed by the commissioner of tax, my lord.
Bring record a relevant document, which is an order passed by Commissioner of Tax. In which item?
Item number 5, my lord.
In item number 5, that WPC 15 to 24 prayers allowed. Just after 3 weeks is
Obliged.
Interim orders to be granted.
interim order gives next date.
19, 12,
Yes.
Much obliged.
Highly obliged.
Item number 1.
My lord, I'm deeply sorry for the inconvenience. AG is today also unavailable, my lord. Senior counsel is
Where
leading
he's
this
not
matter.
online?
My lord, he is actually not keeping well these days, my lord. So I'm praying for some other date again. To my friend also I've informed, and I'm deeply sorry because today we have actually request on the last occasion also. I'm for the petitioner, my lord. Appellant, my lord.
Which matter? This is 1, 2?
My lord, item number 1 only, my lord.
One only, madam.
Yes, Ms. Alkhoni, please the matter be adjourned due to the
My lord, non-availability. He's not keeping well, my lord.
dealer advocate general who still being disclosed. Upon this matter when?
My lord, he has informed that if it can be taken up next week, he will try to be there.
This is not up to 1 week. Okay, we'll see.
My lord, let it be 2 weeks, my lord, and not next week. I may not be available, my lord.
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
My lord.
Obliged.
Hearing item number 2.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the conducting counsel S. Siddiqui, my lord, is unavailable today, my lord.
What is this?
We are actually challenging the regulation, my lord.
We understand.
So I'm just seeking for some more time, my lord. We're supposed to be here, my lord, but I don't know, I think due to some unavoidable circumstances.
My lord, item number 3 is on a similar matter taken together. The last occasion, my lord has given time to the district council number 1 and 2 to file a supplementary affidavit. From the last 5 months, they're not filing. In fact, what happened? This was an exchange of briefing completed last year. Hearing started last year.
Last year?
Last year. And when hearing took place, the prima facie view of this court was that the affidavit filed by district council was not answering to the contention raised by parties, petitioner. So they sought time for filing a supplementary affidavit.
Where's that order?
So,
In item number?
my lord, item number 3. My item number 3. My lord, kindly see order dated
Matthew M. Soma.
my lord.
Order
Order,
dated
order dated 10 August 2023, Lordship, kindly see.
10 August 23.
My lord. 10 August 2023,
Yeah.
order sheets, my lord. In view of the order passed by in the earlier matter, where the issue involved may be the same, District Council is permitted 3 weeks' time to file a supplementary affidavit in addition to the affidavit already filed, whereupon the petitioner will have 1 week to file this affidavit in reply. Now, the earlier case is referring to my friend's case. In my case,
No, okay, yes, but
now
what supplementary affidavit is necessary?
Well,
Is
later
it still
on-
necessary now, or we can proceed without the supplementary affidavit?
my lord, what happened,
But this is over a year now.
my lord?
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, they have filed the supplementary affidavit,
Or they filed
affidavit
it.
in his case also. Now, they have given copy to the other side. My friends have received. We also received the copy, and the matter proceeded again. Now, when the matter proceeded again, my lord, registry officer informed to my colleague that with regard to supplementary affidavit filed in my case, it is not available in the record. Therefore, we brought this to the notice of this Honourable Court, and in view of the Lordship, this Honourable Court passed an order. Lordship, kindly see page number, order dated 29 May 2024.
It's missing from the records.
Missing in my,
But Mr. Jindal, you already filed the affidavit. It's been filed.
he has filed
In this
and
matter,
served copy to my friend,
29 May. Okay.
29 May
Yes.
2024. In view of that issue, my lord, the District Council is allowed again.
Just a copy, a fresh copy you file.
A fresh copy has to file
Kindly
only.
get it corrected then before we proceed to
Lordship,
filing hearing.
actually, I am representing only item number 2, District
Okay,
Council.
then,
Three is my
And
friend's.
Raji,
Yes,
you
Your
filed
Lordship.
an affidavit.
we need some
Fresh copy?
Yes, Your Lordship, we need some clarification because on the last occasion, Your Lordship, we have filed a supplementary affidavit.
No, it's filed, but then see what is recorded in the order is that the somebody has been served to petitioner, but the same is not there on record.
Yes,
That means you had served a copy but not filed it before registry.
yes,
Your
that is
Lordship,
the issue.
in this matter, because the item number 2 and item number 3 is connected, Your Lordship. So when we serve the copy, Your Lordship, because it's connected, so we just make them receive, Your Lordship, the notice, Your Lordship.
No, but has it been filed? Why registry? When was it verified?
So we'll just clarify, Your Lordship. Just
We
give us
are-
1 week time, Your
They
Lordship.
just need to copy or they say that they can rely.
You just that same copy you file it again. That's all. Finish.
Lordship, one
last
thing
chance
more
will be
I would
given,
like
ma'am.
to point out, since the regulation is under challenge, Advocate General will be required, Your Lordship. Last
Yes.
occasion.
They have also
We'll
filed.
record that.
They have
We'll
also
record
filed.
that.
We
When
should
the
be-
matter's been taken up, when these matters which are connected have been taken up today, it has been pointed out by Mr. H.L. Changresu, Senior Counsel in WPC number 131 of 2023, that this court by order date 29/5/2024 had directed the respondents 224 to file supplementary affidavit as the same, it appears, was not on record, though copies had been served to the other side.
Yes.
Next paragraph. Accordingly, the response 2 and 4 are allowed a week further time to complete the necessary formality. What else you want to say?
But
Next one, Mr. Vicky Jindal, Leonard Senior Counsel, appearing for response 4, has also submitted that since the matter involves the.
I'm there, Your Lordship.
he,
Oh, he's
he-
there.
he is there.
Additional Vicky
Yes.
there.
They have filed the affidavit also.
Anyway, yes. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
All right.
Much-
Other matters stretched together? All connected, yes.
Supplementary list. Pronouncement of judgment. Item number 1.
I'll just read just 11 parts. An overview of the above quoted provisions under the Stamp Act, the Regularisation Amendment Act, shows that any reduction, remission, or compounding stamp duty by the government can only be by way of gazette notification. Further, the PPP policy 2021 in granting state support, fiscal support, concessions, such as the instant case which involves concession on stamp duty, also specifically provides that concession specific as given in clause so and so on the state support, actual concessions are to be separately decided and notified by the government. As such, what can be seen from the above noted provisions is that for reduction, compounding, or for any concession, the same has to be by due process and cannot be claimed as a matter of right. Coming to the lease deed executed by the parties, the same may be with regard to the same project and plot of land question. Examination of the recitals reveals that apart from the petitioner being aware of circumstances and outstanding amounts payable, the lease was entered into an agreement of payment of rupees 2.25 crores for settlement of all past outstanding dues by the petitioner, and that clause so and so petitioner specifically agreed to bear the receipt stamp duty. The lease deed, Article 15, thereof also provided for arbitration in the event there is a dispute or differences of questions relating to or arising out of the agreement. The parties therefore are bound by recital of the lease deed, and any right or obligation will necessarily emanate from the lease itself. Furtherance, there being no express provision contained lease deed allowing of exemption or concession as claimed by the petitioner, and the same having been executed as a fresh lease agreement, though the terms and conditions may be somewhat similar, in the considered view of the score, no recourse or reliance can be placed on the old lease deed to seek the relief as claimed before writ court. This observation is made as a claim of the petitioner alleging arbitrary action on the part of respondents, and the fact and circumstance of the case is not present, and it cannot be held that the amount had been collected illegally by the respondents as for exemption of stamp duty or for any concession made that seems to be done in accordance with law and policy as provided. Without further discussion, decision, so and so anyway. However, before parting with the records, it observed that though on the position of law, no relief would be permissible to the petitioner in instant proceedings, then again, considering the circumstances and situations of the case, as stamp duty payable is for the same project when the state had deemed it fit to exempt the early entity from such payment, provided that dismissal of the instant petition will not debar it upon state respondents from considering matters afresh. Instance is not entertained upon disposal of. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Any mention?
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I will be permitted to move an amnesty motion here.
Regarding?
This is regarding some PPA proceedings, your Lordships, where an eviction notice has been given, and Lordship, this is actually a land which comes under the Shillong Municipal Board, your Lordship, and my owner is a leaseholder under the Shillong Municipal Board. But in spite of it, the Cantonment Board has issued this PPA notice, your Lordship.
Tomorrow?
I have responded, Lordship.
Tomorrow?
Lordship, there's an urgency because as per the order,
Are we in the process of filing?
Lordship, it's in the process of filing. It'll be coming up soon, your Lordship.
Okay, it will be filed then, all right. It's not filed then tomorrow, yes.
Lordship, filed.
Bless you.
Should be coming up in the next
Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
May please, my Lord, I beg to mention item number 20, my Lord.
Number?
20. Lord, I'm praying on behalf of Council of Respondent 7, my Lord. He's on sanctioned leave, my Lord.
1 second. 20? 20, this matter has been hanging fire for so
My Lord,
long.
we are ready, my Lord, today, my Lord. We are.
Last time you took time?
My Lord, we took time.
My Lord,
Who's number 7?
My Lord, She'll be the affected party, my lord. The entire case is on the basis of appointment, my lord.
He has been appointed, my lord.
You are the
Appointment has been
candidate,
challenged, my lord.
Who's the counsel appearing?
Mr. Philemon Umbri, my lord.
He's not well.
He's on sanction leave, my lord.
When then? After Diwali? 2 weeks, yes.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 15, Your Lordship. And for respondent number 1.
My lord, no.
Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time to conduct the councillors on leave, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged.
Have you received the cost in election petition?
Well,
Received?
not yet, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes.
May I
Yes.
please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, Your Lordship.
Who's other side?
I humbly pray let this matter be taken after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Other side, who's here there?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're assisting MSD Yangi?
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
No objection?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Similar prayer for item number 17 and 18, Your Lordship.
Yes, other side who?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Next week won't be so easy, yeah? Yes.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, okay. 2 weeks, okay, 18, yes.
18 also, Your Lordship. 18, 1-8.
Yes, 18 marked it.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Your Lordship.
Number?
8.
Is it hearing list?
Order.
Don't mention order matters. They will come up. Keep on singing again and again. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 19. Lordship. Mr. Chanda is not available. Lordship. Mr. Chanda is not available.
You're there, your name is there. Same matter.
Lordship, here there are 2 prayers.
Demonstration.
No, here there are 2 prayers. One is for promotion, Lordship, and one is for financial upgradation. He was denied both of them were denied on account of uncommunicated ACR.
Will be covered case then.
Lordship, in fact, he had already approached, he was dismissed from service. Then we had approached his court, the court has allowed. He was dismissed from service because he couldn't fulfill the ACR criteria beyond 30 years. So he was dismissed. So we had come before this court has allowed a repetition. Now again, reinstated back. Now he's been denied promotion to the next post and the upgradation.
After 2 weeks?
After 2 weeks.
Yes.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11 and 12. Both are similar matters. Your Lordship, this matter is the similar matter is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes. After when?
After
When is
4
coming
weeks.
after Supreme Court?
After 4 weeks, Your Lordship. After 4 weeks.
Yes, as submitted the connected matters pending for the Supreme Court. This is matter of the 4 weeks. Yes.
Your Lordship, similar prayer, item number 13, 14 and 23.
They are all connected?
No, Your Lordship.
13, 14.
13, 14. The conducting counsel is having some personal difficulties.
Then might as well, court must well rise then. Where's Dr. Mozika?
He's on legs, Your Lordship.
No urgency?
I was instructed by Mr. Pathak to...
No, there's urgency or not in the matter? You have
I'm
no
not aware,
idea?
Your Lordship.
Only after 3 weeks then. 13, 14.
Your Lordship, after 1 week.
No, we want, if you seek time, then seeking time is your prerogative, but how much time we give, that's will be up to us.
Okay, Lordship.
And 23 years out of the 3 weeks is.
And 23. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Supplementary list, item number 2.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, the writ petitioner here, he has previously filed the writ petition, which was disposed of by order dated 7/9/2022, and thereafter, Lordship, the petitioner has submitted the court order and submitted the court order to the department, and after that, Lordship, the MTC Corporation has accordingly released the pensionary benefits of the petitioner except for area salary and area of annual increment from 2010 up to his retirement, Lordship. 31st/3/2022.
Retired when?
31st/3/2022, Lordship.
What are you asking? What is seeking with the petition?
Only for area salary and area of annual
Yes,
increment.
Mr. Sen, you take notice.
Lordship.
But Mr. Moore issued the contempt petition issue notice. Mr. SN, who's for the state?
For 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
1, 2, and
1 and 2.
1 and 2 is Mr. Alonso's pen 1 and 2. The notice for the remaining is 1, 3, 4, and 5. Mr. SN pen access notice. No further notice called for. Just after 3 weeks, yes.
Pleasure.
Item number 3. Item number 3. May it please your Lordship.
Who is the government counsel here?
So I'm paying for the state, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, I'm paying for this.
Yes. Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner bank is here before the Honorable Court for the peaceful possession of the land.
For the
peaceful possession of the land, Rinja.
peaceful possession of the land?
Your Lordship, here the Shillong Cooperative Bank has applied to the Deputy Commissioner to allot a land for constructing bank premises of its own Rinja revenue block. The authorities has allotted the plot where the handling of certificate also was given.
Where is the handling of certificate?
Handling certificate is at page 52. Annexure 12.
And it was 2014.
Yes.
Then what happened after that?
Thereafter, all the due process was being followed, the payment of land revenue and premium and everything. But when the time come for taking the NOC from the Rinja or
Over then, it was done on the site or on the office in paper only?
On the site.
Handing over was done there?
Yes.
You didn't take possession of the land after it's allotted to you?
No, it was not, because the Darbar Shnong Rinja has objected. They are not issuing the NOC which is needed for obtaining the building permission from Muda.
You're a Shillong Cooperative Bank, it's a majority shareholding by the government. What permissions do you need?
For construction, Your Lordship.
That sounds absurd. Then the Darbar objects and don't give NOC, so the whole construction stops.
Yes, thereafter many representations, communications were but they are not giving the NOC. And the last communication is being the Annexure 38, which was issued by the Additional Deputy Commissioner, that is Respondent number 4.
Is the Deputy Commissioner a board member of Shillong Cooperative Bank?
No.
Sure. Who are the board members?
I'm not sure about the board members.
Mr. Sen, what is this?
Well, the state is a stakeholder. I'll just explain what's happened. The petitioner approached the state for allotment of a property,
correct. I
for
mean,
setting up of a
handing over done 2014. What is NOC from 2014?
Yes, the handing over was done, and thereafter it appears that the Dorbar Shnong took over possession of that property. It's a private dispute, Manoj.
What private
Can you
dispute?
see?
If you see the revenue plot, it's leasehold land. They paid the premium. How will you see it's a private dispute? You'll wash your hands of the matter.
No, I'm saying why? Because the allotment was done in 2014. In 2014, the allotment was done, and thereafter there appears to be some sort of a dispute with the Dorbar. Dorbar claims it's their property. It's quite unfortunate. What the Dorbar is doing is not entirely legal, but apparently what happens is the Dorbar has taken over possession of the property. And this they've stated at page 89. Kindly have page 89. This is a letter issued by the petitioner to the DC. if your Lordship has it, page 89, kindly see the subject of this letter. This letter was addressed on 17th of September 2020. And kindly see the subject.
Look at this.
From government.
Meeting with the board of directors. Okay. Yes. 87, 89.
89. This is a letter dated 17th of September 2020. Kindly see the subject. Dispossessed from government land, allotted to land, prayer for restoration of possession of the land at plot number 52. And then kindly see. Lordship.
Got MS case in them.
Your Lordship, I have filed an Miss case for praying for interim. In the meantime,
interim, what interim?
For
2014, you waited without the interim. 2020 also dispossessed. What interim are you asking for now?
Just for restraining for respondents 6 and 7 not to interfere in any construction.
How will you pass orders now? Your bank has been sleeping also. The moment that the moment is not handed over, they should have taken steps to secure the place by using law enforcement also if necessary. Yes. Can't allow these Shillongs to pull everything to ransom. Yes. Heard MSES in them, the Council of Petition issue notice. Mr. SN, Leonard Government Council is present.
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Notice to go to. Who's the Perim Muda? Standing Council is there?
No, Your Lordship, I have not served copy. I'll take steps.
Notice to be issued to the remaining respondents within 3 days, just after 2 weeks. Yes, for instructions affidavit. Yes.
Item number 4.
Yes, who's on instructions?
Lordship,
Yes.
we have received instructions. Lordship, first of all, this transmission line is not a consultancy project of ours. In fact, Lordship, this transmission line is a dedicated line which has been given to our complex. We are a consumer of this particular line. Not just we, Lordship, also respondent number 14 and 15. I believe that would be NERPC and Grid India.
And?
Grid India. Grid India. Earlier it was POSOCO, now it has been renamed as Grid India. Now, Lordship, much prior to filing of this writ, since the time there was a landslide, since this particular line is the main line with which all these 3 institutes work, and this line is also detrimental in running a lot of our equipments, not just for us but also for respondent 14 and 15.
I understand, but you see, one thing, Mr. Khera, is that if it is causing inconvenience or some imminent danger, then the authorities do something. They're written here, the clamping the line or doing something.
Lordship, we have. That I would like to produce a communication.
If I may submit one thing,
yes,
that I had also sought instructions from PDCL, my lords, and my instructions are that the work is underway, my lords. We are realigning the line, and it will take, my lords, about 2 or 3 months to complete the project. We have instructions, my lords. I can place the relevant communications, my lord, and in fact, my lords, a considered decision was taken after the landslide that it is risky for the
Lordship,
yes,
it is not just dangerous for the property, but if this transmission line stops functioning or we are cut out with electricity because of any mishap on the line, the whole of Northeast might have a problem with regards to distribution of electricity because of Grid India's functioning over there. So what we did, Lordship, we 3 agencies came together. We received a communication from MECL that was in September. In October, prior to filing of this.
When did the landslide happen?
20th of August, Lordship. 20th of August, landslide happened. In the first week of September, we sat down with MECL to find a proper permanent solution for this line for our functioning, Lordship. So on the 9th of September, the MECL gave us a formal proposal with regards to the quantum of the sum of money which will be involved, because now we would be interested in underground cabling, Lordship.
Right.
So it will not be any hazard to any of the occupants of the properties through which it is coming, and also we will have a perpetual secure line.
Yes.
Accordingly, on 9th of October, Lordship, we have written to MECL that we were in the process of obtaining a financial sanction, which will be obtained. It's an official process. Please go ahead with changing this transmission line from how it stands today to an underground cabling system and As I speak, Lordship, the financial approval has also been granted.
So anyway, Mr. Sen, then we will...
My only concern, my lord, right now I am homeless. Now they are saying 2 months, MECL is saying 3 months, 2 months, 3 months, your lordship. Let there be a deadline, your lordship.
No, let them file affidavit first within 10 days after...
No, 10 days, my lord, if your lordship can be... In the meantime, I don't know, my lord, the instruction I have received, my lord, work has not started.
My instructions, if I may
Lordship,
submit my
if I may,
instructions,
Lordship,
my lord's
the
construction
work over
is
here
already
cannot,
going on.
Work cannot start as we speak. Why? Because, Lordship, this particular cable which will be required is a very highly technically advanced cable for underground cable, Lordship, to carry a 33 kV load. Now, this cable will come, it will be inspected and then installed. So, MECL is on the verge of obtaining this particular cable.
7 lakhs, 5,000.
Lordship.
My only concern, your lordship, there has to be a deadline, there has to be a time limit. So, lordship, instead, my lord, considering the urgency involved, let it be within a week, my lord, let them file it.
Yes,
well, the construction will take some time.
No, sometime, what is the time, my lord, I am not understanding. It's 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, it can't be.
Please listen. Pursuant to order date 22/10/2024, Mr. A.S. Pandey for respondents 2 to 12 and Mr. N. Khera for respondents 13 have come up with instructions and have apprised the court that realignment and alteration of existing 33 kV power supply by replacing the same by single core cable is underway, and that financial sanction has also been received. Stop of communication is effect dated 9/10/2024 has also been produced before the court. Next paragraph. Considering the situation, as appearance today, let the necessary instructions be placed before the court by way of affidavit within 10 days. Yes. Matter to appear.
My lord, only thing my learned friend also made it, money has been sanctioned. So there is no.
Money has been sanctioned is here.
We are not doing this for the petition.
For your own good.
We are doing it for.
No, it's all right. My concern, my lord, I am homeless. Lordship can understand the plight I am going through.
Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Daily list item number 1.
Affidavit 529 is filed.
May I please, Your Honor, Your Lordship, I would like to submit that there is an understanding between the parties. I would like to withdraw this petition with the liberty to file afresh, Your Lordship.
So somehow you managed to convince the person objecting to the wine store.
My lord, I may humbly pray, no liberty should be granted, my lord. On the same issue, same prayer, my lord. Because here we are raising the issue of manipulability at least.
Let them be useful for lawyers, if not for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship, with the liberty to file afresh, Your Lordship.
MS L. Kyangtina, counsel petitioner, submits instructions. She may be permitted to withdraw this instant petition with liberty to file afresh if so advised. Stop. In consideration thereof, matter stands closed for withdrawal with liberty as prayed.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
Lordship, I filed an affidavit, Your Lordship.
It's been filed, correct, the fact been corrected.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship. We have received the same, Your Lordship. I pray for some time to file my rejoinder.
Yes, MS so-and-so, on behalf of special praise for is allowed. How much time? 2 weeks?
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks' time to file the joint of the affidavit. Either respond 1 to 4. One, you are? 5. 1 to 4 and 5.
5, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 3.
May it please the Lordship. My Lord, I have placed one letter on the last occasion that his name has been forwarded to before the cabinet. My Lord, on oral instruction, my Lord, I would like to submit that I have been informed. Most likely in the month of November, my Lord, the cabinet will be sitting to decide on the issues of this regularisation.
Before the contempt, it's been apprised before this court that the compliance of the order dated.
Yes, my Lord, it can be because his name has been forwarded. The issue is
in process as the name of the petitioner has been put up for the count for approval.
My lord, the letter
no
may be
contempt
made
has been
part of the order, my lord.
Petition is stage and the same close and disposed of.
No, Your Lordship would like to take instruction, Your Lordship.
I have
If
given
you
the
only
letter long.
blatant contempt. See, contempt doesn't mean to pressurize someone. It works also. But then if they are complying with it, there's no point in keeping it alive. If they don't, you come again.
My lord.
No, because without the client's instruction, Your Lordship.
My lord, I have given the letter long time back.
Contempt between the court and,
Yes,
and the contemnor.
Yes, Your Lordship. Much obliged,
The
Lordship.
duty of the petitioner is to bring notice of the court that maybe the orders of the court is violated. After that, the duty of the petitioner actually don't even have to do any submission also. Just sit down and see what happens.
My lord.
Okay.
I'm highly obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4.
Please, Your Honour.
Yes, Mr.
I'll be filing my rejoinder, Your Lordship.
No, appearance 6, 7, 8. 6, 7 is
My lord, so far I.
6 and 7 is the school, Your Lordship, and 8 is the private party.
8 is private party. Mr. Lasam Loya, for the petitioner praised for how much time?
2 weeks, Your
What
Lordship.
time? For the first time you're asking.
First time, Your Lordship.
Praise for 2 weeks time before he joined us. Stop. Today also no appearance. There's no appearance behalf upon 6, 7, 8. Accordingly, the matter shall proceed ex parte against said respondents. This is after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
5.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time to file for rejoinder. As we have
How
filed.
many times have you prayed?
This will be the 3rd time, Your Lordship.
Third time. List the matter for hearing. Petitioner permitted to file rejoinder in the meanwhile. Yes. As a last opportunity.
Item number 6.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, 4 and 5 they have filed the reply. However,
1,
1,
5,
2, 3, and 6 are yet to reply.
You filed 5.
Oh, I'll be filing during the course of the day, Your
You already
Lordship.
filed.
I'll be filing during the course of the day.
What about 1, 2, 3? Not filing.
The discouncil.
And 6? Not filing also. Why?
I've just sent it.
So that was on 1st of October. Now sitting in the
24th.
today is what date? Then you can't say I just received. It's more than 3 weeks ago. Yes, okay. Mr. Pasanti praise funds allowed further 2 weeks time for affidavit out of number 6. Mr. R.K. Sundram on behalf of number 4 submits that the affidavit will be filed in the course of the day, just after 2 weeks time for rejoinder if necessary.
Much obliged.
Item 7.
Counter is awaited, Lordship, here.
Why?
No, Your Lordship, we need some more time, Your Lordship. We need some more time, Your Lordship, to file the affidavit.
Municipality?
No, Lordship, this is a case where I was given less gratuity, Lordship. I was supposed to get the
When will you file
gratuity.
it? Yes.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
For them as prayed allowed to respond to an affidavit. Just for that.
Mas.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 8.
Please, Your Lordship, I'm for respondent number 2, Your Lordship. I will need further time, just 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file my affidavit, Your Lordship.
Which matter is this? What about?
Bank related matter. Bank.
The same Jawai Bank.
No, Your Lordship. Here.
I'm for the respondent number 1, my lord. Axis Bank payment.
Oh.
Access.
Your phone number?
Respondent 2, HDFC.
Number 2 is the?
HDFC Bank.
HDFC. And number 3 is? You file affidavit?
Yeah.
You file also yours also?
Yes, Lord.
Only I'm only left. Just give me 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why do you want to mention the matter earlier on?
Your Lordship, because we are seeking to file our rejoinder, Your Lordship.
So why do you want to mention when it was before in the earlier stage? To run away from the court?
Your Lordship, we have another matter because of that.
Done.
Highly apologize, Your Lordship.
Mr. As Marpan first convert to praise for further 2 weeks time to file. Affidavits, rejoinders to be filed thereafter. Yes, list accordingly also.
Roger.
Item number 9.
I'm appearing for respondent 1 and 2, Lordship. I pray for time to file the affidavit, Lordship.
What miscase is this? By you?
Lordship.
By you?
Miscase, Lordship. I have filed the affidavit as well as the miscase for to vacate the interim order
What
dated
interim order?
29/8/2024, Your Lordship. I've appeared for the private respondent number 4 and 5, Lordship. The ground which I have made is that the annexure, relying on the annexure 4 and 3 of the miscase application. Here in the
1 second.
Lordship.
3 and 4. 3 says, I'm from kindly advertise the post and provision. 4.
Now, my lord, when the post was advertised, MTET was not a criteria in the advertisement, my lord. Now they have come up with this MTET. They're saying that
compulsory.
Yes, MTET is compulsory, my lord. Otherwise, I have qualified, my lord. Now, my lord, the advertisement does not stipulate this qualification, my lord. Now, as they claim that this is a compulsory requirement for as per the government notification for appointment of any teacher in a primary or upper primary school. Now, my lord, in the circumstance, if I may pray, my lord, if since I have all the qualifications, I have sat for a selection process and I am duly qualified, my lord. My lord, let them give me at least 1 year's time.
You file when you going to file affidavit?
I'll file affidavit.
Because of the day?
No, Lordship. 2 weeks time, Lordship.
We'll file. You let them file affidavit. Then we'll hear the entire
Lordship,
matter.
one more thing is, Lordship, the petitioner have not disclosed this the annexure this notification issued by the director of security.
That works. Yeah.
I'll file.
You should be happy to not disclose it. It doesn't matter.
I'll file the affidavit, Lordship, because there is one notification also issued by the principal secretary.
I am not privy to these notifications, my lord. I am not privy to this notification.
2 weeks further time file affidavit. Stop the praise allowed. Stop in the miscase number 180/2024. This missing application has been filed for vacating the order dated
29/08/2024, my lord.
29/8/2024, wherein interim orders have been passed by this court.
But because to keep it in abeyance, only to keep this, the relevant
keeping the impugned notice dated 31/7/2024 in abeyance. Stop. Notice accepted by Mr. Kitish Gautam on the said miscase. We're going to file a.
I'll file a showcase. I'll file a showcase, madam.
That he may be allowed to file an objection to the misapplication. Stop. But list this matter. You see, we need affidavit to the government. Then we understand where you stand and where you stand.
It is compulsory.
Whatever is file affidavit.
Yeah, I'll file it.
It was not there in the advertisement, my lord. The advertisement did not require such a qualification.
Together with the main case.
Obliged.
Obliged.
We will suppose of together this case and main case.
Item number 10.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray if Your Lordship can kindly grant us 3 weeks' time, Lordship, to file affidavit, Lordship.
The fresh matter.
Lordship, fresh matter.
Yes, as paid for the 3 weeks time allowed to the one file affidavit. You understand? We give you 3 weeks time because you have to get instructions. It's difficult.
Lordship, this is a case where the petitioners are seeking remonstration to another trade. Now they were subjected to, they were selected, they had gone through the training.
But there's not enough posts. How can it be remastered?
No, there are enough posts. Lordship, they have been approved. They have been selected for the training. They underwent training, but when the select list came out, their name has disappeared from the select list. That is the case. Obliged.
Yes.
Hearing 21.
May I please, Your Lordship? By order dated 25th September, Your Lordship was pleased to direct the respondent number 1 to file affidavit and seek instruction.
Where's the Devnath? He's here. I can't see him. Where is he?
We are praying for some time, Your Lordship. We have to seek instructions.
No, instructions. You're supposed to come today. Instructions.
Earlier, Your Lordship, earlier was
endorsed it yesterday.
Yes.
This case was endorsed to Mr. Devnath.
Where's Devnath? Yes, Devnath. What is the instructions you received?
This file is endorsed to me just. Huh? This file is endorsed to me. So
when?
Yesterday.
Just now.
Just yesterday in the evening, they went.
Earlier counsel was Mr. Mojika, Your Lordship.
That's very unfair.
I thought maybe you are in formal party.
Yesterday?
After 1 year.
So here I have seen some instruction is required, so I have to make the communication. There is no letter whether any communication made.
When did you stop working? Since when?
2018, Your Lordship, but
you stopped working, correct?
Yes, sir.
That's all right. You can wait for some more time. Yes, Mr. Abdebnath submits that he has just been endorsed with the brief on behalf of respondent number 1. He prays that without 2 weeks' time to obtain necessary instructions. Yes, just after 2 weeks. What to do?
Obliged, Lordship. 22.
Handicap.
May I please, Your Lordship? Received some instruction.
Lordship, the approval required for the creation of the superannuary post has been obtained.
Already been approved by the Finance, my Lord, and the Education Department.
So we'll close it.
Yes,
my
my
Lord.
Lord.
Yes, my Lord.
Nothing remains.
Nothing remains, my Lord.
Regarding that appointment is
Grade 4, sir?
Grade 4 superannuary post, my Lord.
Haldibari School.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, today when the matter is taken up, MSS Sham, another GA, has produced a communication dated 29/2024 indicating that the proposal for creation of one supernumerary post of grade 4 staff at Haldibari Government LP School has been approved. She submits that in view of this development, nothing remains for consideration and the petition may be closed up. And Ms. S. Hassan, the council petitioner, also concurs with submission. Accordingly, the matter shall stand as disclosed and disposed of. Stop. Copy of the communication is kept on record. Yes.
My Lord, a small prayer, my Lord.
Time frame.
Some time frame, my Lord,
Yes,
to direct the state respondent to appoint the petitioner, my Lord.
Completed as expeditiously as possible, possibly within a period of 3 months from today. Yes.
My Lord, my Lord. Deeply obliged, my Lord.
It doesn't come. Because unless you haven't filed it.
Well, our colleague is in the process of filing it, my Lord. If Lordship allows.
40 also, yes.
Allows, my Lordship may take it up at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Waiting by the time I might fall asleep.
My Lord.
No, you inform when it's.
My Lord, we'll inform the bench.
What's the matter? Show your draft copy.
My lord, it's not with me. It's
Show your office copy that you have.
May please, Your Lordship.
Yes. Who's that?
Lordship, this is a matter, Lordship, where I am a tenant under the landlord who is a leaseholder under the Shillong Municipal Board, Your
But
Lordship.
Apple become all pink, the screen. We can't see you.
Sorry, Your Lordship. Sorry, I'll just take care of that, Lordship.
No, where's the office copy?
his copy is with Miss Paul.
So, Lordship, in brief, if I may apprise Your Lordship, may I apprise Your Lordship?
Yes.
About the facts of the case, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Now, what has happened, Your Lordship, I have been running this shop cum restaurant, Your Lordship, for the last 30 years, Your Lordship, from the said stall, for which in GS Road, Your Lordship. And the lease which was given to the landlord is from 1994, which has been renewed, Your Lordship, and the one which is currently holding the field is of 2006. So this stall is clearly in the Shillong Municipal Board, municipal area, Your Lordship. And I have all the licenses, the trading licenses, which has been renewed from time to time, and everything is in order, Your Lordship. Now, all of a sudden, Your Lordship, I receive a notice dated 27 August 2024 from the estate officer, Your Lordship, Narangi Circle, Guwahati, under Section 4 of the PPA Act, Your Lordship, asking me to file my show cause. Lordship, I went down to Guwahati, appeared in person, and sought time to file my show cause along with all the relevant documents, Your Lordship. So time was given to me via an order which was communicated to me via an email, Your Lordship. And the next date when it was fixed, Lordship, as all the documents were not still available, I again sought time through an email. And an order was again communicated to me via an email fixing the date on 8th October, Your Lordship, for filing the show cause as a last chance. On 8th October, Your Lordship, I filed my show cause via an email along with 14 annexures, Your Lordship. Am I audible, Your Lordship?
Yes.
So that was, because this was via an email, Your Lordship, we have the screenshot of the receipt, Your Lordship, that this was duly received by the concerned authority, Your Lordship. But thereafter, Your Lordship, we receive an order on 21st 10, that is last Monday, Your Lordship. Today we are on Thursday, via a speed post, Your Lordship. And in this order, it is mentioned that as no show cause has been filed by me, Lordship, I am to be evicted from the said premises.
Have you served copy the other side?
My lord.
You've served them. MS Goring, you've received copy. Dr. Muzikal will be paying. Who's?
Yes, Mr.
Have you served copy?
My colleague is following
Who is
up
your
my-
colleague?
B. Snyder.
Is he in the court premises or is he gone somewhere
No,
else?
no, my lord, he's there. My lord, he's in the filing section.
But you not serve copy to him before filing?
We were also not aware, Your Lordship.
Well, we'll sub them down.
You inform your senior. Yes, you inform when the matter comes.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
The file the one.